Good morning, everyone. My name's Jade, and I'm the community fundraiser for Surrey and West Sussex here at Alzheimer Society. I want to start by saying a huge thank you to each and every one of you at the Royal Grammar School for your incredible support. It is truly appreciated by all of us here at Alzheimer Society, and the funds that you raise will play a vital part in our fight against dementia. Someone develops dementia every 3 minutes, and there is currently no cure. If you take anything from my talk today, I'd really like you to take away these 5 key things that you should know about dementia. First, dementia is not a natural part of aging. Not everyone develops dementia as they get older, and in fact, dementia doesn't just affect older people. Over 40,000 people under 65 in the UK have a form of dementia called early onset or young onset dementia. Second, dementia is caused by diseases of the brain. For example, diseases such as Alzheimer's disease are caused by nerve cells which die. This therefore damages the structure and the chemistry of the brain. There are lots of other causes, and there are no 2 types of dementia which are the same, which means that no one person's experience of dementia is the same as another's. There are over 100 different types of dementia, and in those different types, there is different damage to different parts of the brain. Other types of dementia include vascular dementia, mixed dementia, and dementia with Lewy bodies. Third, it's not just about losing your memory. Understandably, when most people hear the word dementia, they think of memory loss straight away. And whilst memory loss is a symptom, there are other symptoms of dementia, which include difficulties concentrating, problems planning and thinking things through, struggling with everyday tasks, issues with language and communication, and problems judging distances and even mood swings. But fourth, people can still live well with dementia. Although there is currently no cure for dementia, scientists and researchers are working hard to find one. Until then, support and treatments are available that can help. Those treatments and support services can allow people living with dementia to lead active and purposeful lives and allow them to carry on living life doing the things that matter to them most. Finally, Alzheimer Society is here for anyone who is affected by dementia. This last point leads me nicely onto telling you a little bit more about Alzheimer Society. Alzheimer Society is the UK's leading dementia charity. The vital funds our supporters raise go towards campaigning for change, research into a cure, and funding support services for those who are affected by dementia today. Through our campaign work, we are changing society for the better. We are currently running our Cure the Care System campaign for a care system where people affected by dementia are able to live the life that they want with greater independence, choice, and control, where social care is of the highest quality and meets the individual needs of people affected by dementia, and social care is free at the point of use and easy to access for people affected by dementia. We also run our Dementia Friends scheme, which allows members of the public to attend information sessions where they can learn how to become more dementia friendly in their everyday lives. We are also working to generate the research into cure, care, and prevention. And we hope that our research findings are translated into improved care, treatment, and information. We are investing more money than ever into dementia research and attracting more talented researchers to the field. To help with those living with dementia today, we fund a variety of support services. Some of these include our Dementia Connect support line, Talking Point, which is an online community where you can share experiences with others in similar situations. And we have our group services such as dementia cafes and Singing for the Brain. Finally, you can also access support in your community from our incredible dementia support workers. All of the amazing work I've just mentioned wouldn't be possible without the help we get from people like yourselves. From our talented fundraisers to our brilliant volunteers, the tireless work that's put in by our supporters is what drives us to be able to provide the support and level of support that we do. Thank you so much for listening to today. And once again, thank you for supporting the Alzheimer Society. I hope you all have a wonderful day and take care.